Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here is the new finished two sets 500 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer for Mexico client. For these mixers, it is used to mix the waste milk powder. And the totally body we make it carbon steel. And we equipped two screw conveyor. The first conveyor is for the raw material feeding, and we also add a screwing filter on the hopper top of the first screw conveyor. So the raw material can be transferred into the ribbon mixer without open the top lid, because we equipped a hole and we can connect it to them via the soft connection. After mixed, the material would be transferred via the manual discharging butterfly type valve via the discharging screw transferred into the package line. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. For these two sets, they have the different voltage condition. This one is for the 460 voltage. And for the second line, it is for the 220 volts. Now the first line has been connected with electricity power. Besides all the motors we used for the ribbon mixer or the two screw conveyors, we use the Siemens brand motor. And for this reducer is hot tooth phase reducer. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. Let's focus on the panel. This is an inverter panel. It can be displayed the shaft speed. This is voltage meter. We can see the voltage. We use 460. This is a meter emergency stop button. For the buttons part, this is for the ribbons, mixer on, mixer off, speed up, speed down. And these four buttons is for the screw conveyor. The first conveyor start stop. The second conveyor start stop. Okay. Now we start the ribbon mixer first. Okay. Now we start. We can control the speed here. First we give it half speed. Now it works. Working stable. You can almost see the ribbons rotate. No problem. And then we test the max speed. Okay, speed up. The max speed is 61. 62. Let's check. There it is. Okay. 62. This is the max speed. Now I would like to open the top lid. The lid can be opened easily via the pneumatic cylinder. Also, we equipped a protection net on the totally top part of the horizontal mixer. Here I would like to see that for the sensors we add on the back side, this is a protection function. Once the protection net on the top part removed, once this protection net removed, the mixer will not work, will stop. And now I down the speed and stop it. So no problem for the mixer. And then I would like to test the conveyor one. Okay. Now it works. Now I stop it. This is a second conveyor. In this way, material will be transferred out of the mixer. So both functions are no problem. For the cabinet itself, we use the Schneider brand as the main components. So this is a simple test for the basic function of the first line for Mexican plant used in waste milk powder mixing industry. For the next video, I would like to test the second small line. This is from Karvil Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.